Okay, student. Now we will start with very important concept called as critical angle. So my question is, what is critical angle? You know, when light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, this is the denser medium and this is the rarer medium. It bends away from the normal. It is absolutely fine. This is angle of refraction. This is angle of incident. If you start increasing the angle of incident, now ये इसको बड़ा कर दिया देखो angle of incident को. So ray again bends away from the normal. Angle of refraction increases. At particular angle, what we observe is the ray become parallel to this ray. Let me draw with different color. The ray become parallel with to the boundary of two separating media. Such a Mahan angle at which the refracted ray become horizontal, that is R become 90 degree, called as critical angle. Critical angle. And critical angle, it is represented by IC. Means light become a parallel to the boundary between two separating media. Now by using Snell's law, you can define the critical angle. Mu1 sin I is equal to mu2 sin R. Okay, mu1 means first medium, which is called as denser one. Let's say its refractive index is mu. Sin I, it become IC, matlab critical angle. Mu2, it is called as rarer medium. Let's say it is air. So sin R become 90 degree. So what can you conclude? If it is not air, other than air, let's say it is mu2. So sin 90 become 1. So sin IC equal to, this is mu1, mu2 upon mu1. So you can always remember sin IC equal to, मैं simple formula बता रहा हूँ, the smaller mu upon greater mu. Smaller, important, upon greater. Always remember, mu smaller upon mu greater. It is a formula for sin IC. Very, very important. It is very important problem. Mu smaller upon mu greater. It is a formula for critical angle. The angle at which the refracted ray become parallel, it is called as critical angle. Now see the example based on this. Find out the area of bright spot which is forming on the screen when source is placed. This is called as source. Source is placed at 1 meter away from the screen. So you will get a bright spot until the light enters into second medium. But after critical angle, it become horizontal. And suppose you increase the angle, it appears in the same medium. Okay. So understand by critical angle concept. So up to critical angle, it become horizontal. Now this become the brightest spot. After that, light will come in the same medium. So in this region, light is entering into the second medium. So you have to find out the area of this region. So let's find out the area of this region. So this side is 1, and so this side would be 1. So this is theta equal to IC. So what would be the value of IC? Now we having sin IC is equal to mu smaller upon mu greater. So mu smaller is 1, mu greater is root 2. So sin IC becomes sin inverse of 1 by root 2. So it's come out to be 45. Suppose this is 45, this is 1, so this would be 1. Okay. So this would be 1, opposite side. Now as this is 1, area of bright spot equal to, area of bright spot equal to pi r square. Pi, r value is 1 square. So area is pi meter square. So this would be the value of area of bright spot which is forming on the screen. This is the important illustration based on the operation called as critical angle. You must have got the concept of critical angle. Okay.